coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you another virgin hair unit. So yeah, I'm really excited and let's jump right into this new video. Alright, so this one, guys, did come in a UPS box. And we got another bag here. And no label on the box. I can't stand when wigs come like this, you guys. I really need my labels to help me stay organized. Oh, I should have known. It's from eWigs. eWigs always sends in a unmarked cardboard box. We do have a brush here, and I do use these brushes. These brushes are great to carry around in your purse. And of course, you get your wig cap, which I absolutely definitely use. So those are useful to me. So of course, you get your care guide, your maintenance instructions. So you guys, this is their lace frontal unit. This is what the unit looks like. Their hairline, I'll be honest, you definitely do have to customize yourself because it is a very, very thick hairline. You do have your 2 combs on the side, your 1 comb at the top, and then you have your adjustable straps in the back and no comb. And then you have your wefted tracks in the back. So this is a frontal unit. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this unit on. If you're curious about the unit that I have on my head right now, I will leave a link right up here somewhere. So you can go ahead and click that and check out this unit. But make sure you keep watching this video first. So this is the unit. I think this unit is so adorable. I definitely had my concerns when I first took it out the pack, you guys. I was like, ooh, I think this one might be a little too thin. You know, I'm just not sure. But I really do like this unit. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from all sides. So I am really liking this cut. I like the fact that it's a bob, but it's a little bit longer. It just gives that really chic look that I really like. I even am not mad at the middle part. I didn't do anything to the hairline except for just pluck a little tiny bit of hair just right here and in the part to about right here, just to make it look a little more natural. I added a little bit of my foundation underneath here. I really don't do the stocking cap method and all that crazy stuff to make the wig big blend to your hairline, you literally only just need some of your own foundation, just pluck it a little bit, and then just add a slight little bit of baby hairs, and then you're ready to go. I was really thinking about putting a elastic band onto the sides because this wig cap is big. If you're a woman with a larger head or a person with a larger head, this wig will definitely work for you. My head is teeny tiny. I have like a little tiny peanut head, and this cap was really giving me a struggle, but I went ahead and just connected the two adjustable straps onto themselves and used that instead of the elastic band method, and that's working out just fine for me. Yeah, so I'm really happy, you guys. Let me know what you think about this unit. I will also leave links to purchase this unit in the information bar down below. eWigs has super duper affordable units, you guys. Make sure you check them out. I'll also see if I can get a coupon code for you guys. If I do, I'll leave that in the information bar down below as well. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not, like, what are you thinking about? I'm gonna give you all the tea on all the new units and all the virgin hair that is out here, because I want you guys to find a deal and to find some amazing hair. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos. Waiting on somebody to come through.